Hello there, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am telling you about 5 biggest mistake which I am doing at that starting. So that's why I am don't getting any sales in weeks, months, and I am wasting lots of time. So that's why I am creating this video today, that if you are doing these mistakes, if you are doing the any one mistakes out of 5, so you can correct right now, that you save time. So without waste any second, let's get start this video. Mistake number 1: creating book without research, without any title filtration, because multiple books already published on Amazon KDP. If you are not creating books out of these topics, you are not getting any sales. So this is very biggest mistake I'm doing at that starting. But at present I'm a research proper, and I'm a creating coloring book on that research. This book is performed very well. So if you are watch this type of videos, write a comment below. Mistake number 2: ignoring keywords and categories. This is very common and very biggest mistake. Actually, people are think about that keywords is not matter, category is not matter, but this is a literally very important part of this coloring book, maybe other books published on Amazon KDP. Keywords take a attraction of the public, of the customers, because if your title and keywords is very eye catchy and very unique, you will actually get your sale. But categories as well is much more important as well, as because categories define which type of a book is in the category. So please don't do this mistake. If you have any confusion about the categories and keywords, write a comment below. I am creating video on that topic. Mistake number 3: underpricing and overpricing. Multiple people are greedy about making a passive source of income. I know Amazon KDP is very good for making passive source of income, but don't pick high pricing on your first book on other books, because if you know Coco Bio in the coloring book niche is very popular, and at that launching a new book, they are always listing a book in a minimum and low price, because if your coloring book price is low, much chances that pupils are buying. But don't list your book in very lower price, because people think that this book is not good, that's why this coloring book or other books price is low. Okay, so proper research, proper planning, and other competitor pricing, place and list and pick in our book. Okay. Mistake number 4: low quality cover design. This quote is very popular: don't book judge by cover. But reality is that every book judge by cover. So please work on that. If I know multiple people are hesitate of making a better book by book cover, so write a comment below. I am creating a dedicated video on that topic, how you are creating a attractive book cover with the help of AI. Fifth mistake is publish one book and they are relaxed. This is very common. I am a multiple customer. I am multiple to my subscribers tell you, authors I am tell you that you are not waiting, you are not stop publish after one book, because Amazon KDP working like a algorithm. If you are continuously creating coloring book on and publish on Amazon KDP, Amazon thinks this author is very actively perform in the market. So that's why Amazon your books promoting organically. If you are no have that much money that you can promote your books on as the using of ad option, Amazon automatically organic way they are your book promoting or you're on our site. This I am not telling a lie in any mistakes. I am actually practical these mistakes, because I am doing these mistakes. So after if you are doing any one mistakes, write a comment below. If you need any guidance, write a comment below. I can help you, and with the help of a video. Okay, so I hope you are understand. I hope you are learn something. Okay, so please don't these 5 mistakes if you become a success on Amazon KDP with the and earning a passive source of income. Okay, I'm so if you are happy, if you are understand these 5 mistakes, write a comment below and subscribe this channel, press bell icon that you can't miss any upcoming video. I wish you all the best journey, signing off.